Evolved ones notice that when reaching too high on tiptoes, one is not grounded or stable, and when moving too quickly, it is difficult to sustain the pace. They notice how those who show off are not using wisdom, and those who act with self-righteousness are not respected. Living from humility, evolved ones do not make claims, nor do they act in excess. They realize that when something is overdone, it tends to decline quickly. Was there something before heaven and earth were born? Was it a unified field of the potential for energy and matter? Silent, vast, unchanging, and ever-present. Some regard it as the mother of all things. Lao Tzu used the word Tao and also called it great. Being great, it is infinite and ongoing. Being great, it flows out and returns from non-form to form, and then back to non-form again. The way is great. Heaven is great. Earth is great. And humanity is great. Humanity has to follow the way of earth in order to survive. The earth follows the way of the heavens. The heavens follow the way of that which began everything. The way follows itself, or becomes what is in the present moment.